Quantify estimating rapid rename. So this is a feature that allows you to rapidly name the drawings in an estimate. So if you've got a estimate file here, such as this, where the PDF was made without an index, so everything is just the page numbers in here. This can take quite a bit of effort to go through and identify everything in here. So what we have for this is the new rapid rename feature. So what I'm going to do is zoom in on my title block here. And when we click on our documents list, we have the yellow rapid button here. So this is similar to rapid count. This uses our AI to go across the drawings and help extract this information. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to open up this dialog box for me here. Now within this, I've got select the drawing number and select the description. You can choose either one of these or both of these depending on what's available to bring in. So I'm going to select drawing number first here, and then I'm going to draw the box around my number here. Generally, you're going to want to leave some space around that in case they have, more than 4 characters in the name. If you have, MD drawings or those sort of things that, might take up a little more space, you can draw the box a little further around that. And then I'm going to select the description. Same sort of thing here. I'm going to draw a large box around this area of the title block to capture anything that might be in there. And then we can press submit. And we'll see in the bottom left here in the AI status area, this has been sent over to the AI. It is initializing. Now it can take a little bit of time to crawl through all of the drawings in here. Once it's done, there we go. I can now click on my documents file here and see that everything is named up. Now, sometimes it might be a little humorous and get carried away on some of these names. And so we're going to rename that one so that it doesn't quite stand out so dramatically. But there we go. Depending again on the way that the document is structured and laid out, this can provide an extremely fast way to identify your drawings and be able to quickly navigate the files that you've been sent.